Dion is looking to rent a car and has the choice between two plans. To compare the plans, let's write an expression for the cost of each. Starting with the first plan, it has an initial fee of $49. So you're going to pay $49 no matter what with this plan, plus an additional cost of 13 cents for every mile driven, which means if you drive 1 mile, it will cost you an extra 13 cents, 2 miles, an extra 26 cents, and so on. So we're going to multiply 13 cents times the number of miles driven for the extra cost. Looking at the second plan, the initial fee is $38. The additional cost, so plus, 17 cents for every mile. So we're going to add 17 cents multiplied by the number of miles driven. To find out the number of miles that Dion needs to drive the car for the plans to cost the same amount, we can set the cost of each plan equal to each other. To solve this equation, we want to move letters to one side, numbers to the other. So moving my m's to the left, I'm going to subtract 0.17 m from both sides, leaving me with negative 0.04 m on the left. Let's move the numbers to the right by subtracting 49 from both sides, which gives me negative 11. Undoing multiply by negative 0.04, I'm going to divide both sides by negative 0.04, and m is equal to 275. 275 miles is the number of miles that Dion needs to drive for both plans to cost exactly the same amount. So what is the cost when you drive 275 miles? It doesn't matter if you plug 275 into either one of the original costs, because we found the miles to make them the same. I'm going to go ahead and substitute 275 into both to show you it doesn't matter which one I would have grabbed. Starting with the first plan, let's replace the m with 275. Following order of operations, we multiplied and then added. We get $84.75. If I substitute the 275 into plan 2, multiplying 0.17 times 275 and then adding 38, I also get $84.75. I think it's worth repeating, I did not need to substitute the 275 miles into both of the cost expressions I created. Substituting into either one of them is going to lead to the same dollar amount.